you, and this is a tutorial on how to make your very own hologram video. So first up, we told you to bring your YCIS hoodie. The reason being, you want the background as dark as possible. Okay, so I'm wearing this and I'm just zipping it up and putting the hoodie on. Okay, so the next is try to find the darkest spot possible. Now, since I'm at home, I can easily just, turn off the light and even go into the closet. So to make it darker, I turned off all the lights. But since we're in the classroom, do your best to get it as dark as possible. You can even hide under the table and ask your other classmates, to make sure there are no light sources, okay? So I also brought in my flashlight, but you can use, you can work in pairs and have your classmate use the LED light of your iPad or your mobile, okay? So, come. In my home, okay, because you might want to do it when you get home again, I have the Harry Potter closet. So, what I did, okay, I can record myself here, okay, and to make it even more scary, okay, I can use the flashlight. Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to use Keynotes to make your very own holo video. So open your iPad and then look for Keynote and then click on it. Okay, and then click on the plus button, okay, on the upper right hand side. So click on the plus, that will bring you to create a presentation. Choose a theme, okay, and choose the black theme, okay, basic black. Okay, so you don't want any words on it, so I would just go to the bottom left hand side, there's a plus button there, and choose the blank slide. Okay, so now you have a blank slide, you can get rid of this other slide, okay, delete. Okay, so all you need is the blank slide. Now we want to change the size of the slide. We want a square slide. So on the upper right hand, you will see a circle with 3 dots. So click on that and scroll to the bottom. You will see document setup. Okay, look for document setup. Click on that. And at the bottom, you have 2 choices, themes or slide size. Okay, click on slide size and choose square. Okay, now you have, okay, and click done. Now you have a square slide. Okay, now remember with the in the beginning I told you to create your own 30-40 second video. So now is the time we are going to put the video in our slide. So click the plus, okay, the plus button on the upper right hand side and click on photo or video. Okay, and it will bring you here, and then this is my video, so I'll click on that one. You can see my video over there. Now, you want to make it smaller. So, on the bottom right hand, you will see the circle on the right side. Okay, and then lower it until it gets to around 200. Okay, about 200. There you go. That's the perfect size. And move it so that it goes to the middle. So you can see that there is that the yellow line that tells you you're in the middle. Okay, so now we want to copy it. Okay, we want to copy it. Okay, and then click again anywhere on the slide and then paste. Okay, now look at that, it's standing up. So on the upper right hand side, you will see the paintbrush. Okay, click on the paintbrush and look at rotate. Okay, now for rotate, you want it to be 90 degrees. Okay, and then click. So you can see now it's 90 degrees. Click on it and then, okay, see that arrow, the yellow line? So it's in the perfect spot. Okay, So now you want to paste another one. Paste. And this time, again, click on the paintbrush. After 90 degrees, we want this one to be 180 degrees. Okay, click anywhere on the slide. There you go. Now you have upside down. Okay. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure that the corners touch. So the first one, I will move a little bit lower so that the corners touch. Okay. Now we need one more. So click anywhere on the slide. Paste. And so we have 90, 180. So this one, click the paintbrush. The next one would be 270 degrees. Okay. And there you go. And then make sure that, see, it has already the automatic grid positioning. So what you want to do, you want to have like a tiny square. Okay. So that you have 4 of your video. Okay, I'm going to adjust this a little bit so that, okay, so that the corners are touching. Okay, so you have a corner, it's like you have a black square in the center of all your movies. Okay, so now we have to animate. So let's go to the first video that we put up, this one. Okay, and click on animate. And then start movie built-in. Click on that. On tap. We're done. Now, the second video we did was this one. Okay. So click on the second one. Start movie. And instead of on tap, choose with build one. Okay. Then tap anywhere on the slide. Then go to the third copy of your video. Okay. So start movie. Instead of on tap, make it with build one. Okay. And do the same for the last one. Start movie. Instead of on tap, with build one. Okay. So now you have all 4 of the videos playing at the same time. So on the upper right hand corner, you see the play button. Okay. So let's play it. And it won't start playing until you tap, because the first command was play on tap. Okay, now watch when I press. All 4 videos should play at the same time. Okay, so you can see that all of them are playing eerily at the same time. Okay, so we're done. And if you're satisfied, now we export. So go to the upper right hand corner. You will see the 3 dots. Click on that and export. Okay, as a movie. There you go. Just keep the settings and then click on export. So it's presentation 3 and save video. Choose save video and it will save into your gallery. Okay, so now let's check. Is it in my gallery? Okay, so there it is. And when I press play, okay. Now the problem is if it's noisy in your classroom, you will hear noise. Okay, so what you can do, okay, is to edit it in iMovie. Okay, so that you can remove the sound. So go to movie, click on the video that we just made and create movie. Now what you can do, click on it, and at the bottom you can see detach audio. And then click on the audio, and on the bottom right hand side you can delete it. Okay, so now it's going to play without any audio. And you can save it like that. Okay, so you can experiment with it, and you can put your 3D viewer to check if it does work, and I assure you it works. Okay, so there are 3 categories. You need to make 3 about 30 to 45 second videos, and the categories are the funniest, the scariest, and the awesomely creative one. Okay, so use this time because we are going to be awarding certificates to winners, and It's just awesome to be the funniest, the scariest, and the most awesomely creative holo video ever. Okay? Bye bye.